Hey there. If you're dealing with connectivity or performance issues on your TP-Link Outdoor CPE210, you're probably wondering how to fix TP-Link Outdoor CPE210 effectively. This popular device is widely used to extend network coverage in outdoor environments, but it can occasionally run into glitches or setup challenges. Fear not, as in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and rectify common issues, helping you restore your device to optimal working condition quickly. Step 1. Initial checks and setup verification. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, let's start with the basics. Make sure your CPE210 is correctly installed according to the user manual. Verify all physical connections, ensuring the Ethernet cable is securely attached. Confirm that the power source is stable and that the device's LED indicators are functioning properly. If they're not lit, check the power adapter and consider testing with an alternative cable. Step 2. Accessing the user interface. To resolve any configuration issues, you'll need to access the device's user interface. Connect your computer to the CPE210 via an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and input the default IP address, typically 192.168.0.254, into the address bar. Log in using the default credentials, often admin for both username and password. If you've previously changed these details and forgot them, factory reset will restore them to default. Step 3. Inspect and modify configuration. Once logged in, navigate through the configuration settings. Ensure that the operating mode, such as access point or client, is appropriately configured for your network setup. Check the wireless settings and confirm the SSID, channel, and security settings are correct. Misconfigured settings can lead to performance problems. If unsure, restore settings to default and reconfigure them from scratch using the quick setup wizard. Step 4. Firmware update. Firmware issues can cause operational problems, so it's important to keep your device's firmware up to date. Visit TP-Link's official support website and search for the CPE210 model to find the latest firmware version. Download the update and upload it via the user interface's firmware upgrades section. This can resolve bugs that the existing firmware might have, potentially improving performance and stability. Step 5. Environmental adjustments. The CPE210's effectiveness can be highly dependent on its physical environment. Ensure there are minimal obstructions around the device that might block its signal. Check the directional alignment, as misalignment can significantly reduce coverage. Consider the impact of weather and interference from other devices, adjusting the device's location or angle if necessary to improve network performance. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. Locate the reset button on the device. Usually, it's inside a small hole. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds until the lights on the device start to flash. This resets the device to its original settings, likely resolving any software-related issues. Afterward, you'll need to reconfigure the device from scratch, similar to a new installation. Troubleshooting issues with your TP-Link Outdoor CPE210 doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps on how to fix TP-Link Outdoor CPE210, you can address most common issues and improve your device's performance. Remember to perform regular maintenance by checking connections and updating firmware to keep your CPE210 running smoothly for the long haul. With these strategies in hand, you'll ensure stable and extended wireless coverage in your outdoor spaces. Happy networking!